Steps to fix Mac Outlook error 19991. Easy steps to fix Mac Outlook error 19991. Step 1. The very first step you need to execute is connecting the devices to the Internet network. Step 2. Now go to the Outlook account, and then delete all the emails carefully. Step 3. Now simply re-log in, by entering your email address and password. Step 4. At last, restart your Mac device and check whether the issue gets resolved or not. If yes, then you can effectively use your email account to send/receive emails. Outlook helpline number 1-888-726-3195 to fix Mac Outlook error codes. Still you are facing Mac Outlook error 1991? If yes, then without thinking much feel free to contact with Outlook customer support service. Here are the professionals round the clock available to assist you with the best solutions. We have a team of talented and experienced professionals who know how to handle the complex Mac Outlook issues and resolve them in no less time. No matter what the time is, if you face error in the middle of the night, just dial our Mac Outlook toll-free number and share your queries with the dedicated team of techies effortlessly.
Get in touch with us. Company name. Hotmail helpdesk number. Address. 568 54th Street, West New York, New Jersey 07093, USA. Website, www.hotmailhelpdesknumber.com. Toll-free number, 1-888-726-3195.